as heavy rain hit the South Korean capital, flooding vehicles and prompting evacuations. The video shows flooded roads as passengers endure the rain, as well as water flowing down the steps of an underground train station. The central region of the country, including the capital, received up to 170 millimeters of rain on Monday, according to the Yonhap news agency. As of 2000 hours local time, Seoul received 90.5 millimeters of rain. The report also said that the Dongjak area in southern Seoul received 137 millimeters of rain per hour, the heaviest rain in decades. The Korea Meteorological Administration previously issued heavy rain warnings for Seoul, the western port city of Incheon, northern parts of Gyeonggi Province and northern Gangwon Province. Heavy rain caused flooding and power outages in some regions. Residents of low-lying areas were evacuated for safety reasons.